Hindi ka niya mahal. She doesn't love you. Hindi ka na niya mahal. She doesn't love you anymore. Nakilala ka ba niya? Did he recognize you? Nakilala niya ba tayo? Did he recognize us? Nakilala niya ba sila? Did he recognize them? Kailangan niya ng tulong. She needs help. Sinubukan niya naman. He tried. Kinakausap niya ako. He is talking to me. Ayaw niya ng kape. He doesn't like coffee. Sumakit ang ulo niya. His head ached. Pagsisisihan niya ito. He is going to regret this. Mahal niya kami. He loves us. Gusto kanyang makita. He wants to see you. Gusto niya akong makita. He wants to see me. Kailangan niya ng tulong ko. He needs my help. Anong sinabi niya sa'yo? What did she tell you? Ano bang ginagawa niya? What is she doing? Pinapunta niya ako rito. She sent me here. Hinatid niya ako pauwi. He drove me home. Sinaktan ka ba niya? Did he hurt you? Naaalala kaya niya ako? Does he remember me? Dinalhan ka niya ng pagkain. He brought you food. Nakita niya kami. She saw us. Kinausap niya ako kaagad. He spoke to me right away. Baka alam niya ang nangyari. Maybe he knows what happened. Inakbayan niya ako. He put his arm around me. Pinalaki siya ng lola niya. He was raised by her grandma. Sinubukan niyang kausapin ka. He tried to talk to you. Hindi ko matandaan ang pangalan niya. I can't remember his name. Binigyan ka ba niya ng pera? Did he give you money? Ayaw niya ng maraming pera. He doesn't want a lot of money. Tinakpan niya ang kanyang bibig. He covered his mouth. Tinatanong niya ang pangalan mo. He is asking your name. Naghanda kami sa kaarawan niya. We prepared for his birthday. Natawa kami sa sinabi niya. We laughed at what he said. Sinadya niya iyon para inisin ka. He meant it to annoy you. Kinain niya ang natirang ulam. He ate the leftover dish. Ayaw niya akong paniwalaan. He doesn't want to believe me.